Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can remove the lines from table in Microsoft Word document. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word page. So let me insert one table here. Okay, so I have insert table here. So you need to if you want to remove the lines, so you can select that all table like this. Here the table designed, we need to go in this border option and you can choose the no border, so line will be vanished. We can see the table is there, but the line it is like not visible. Okay, you can see. So I make it normal again. You can see here. So now if you want to delete line within some cell, then you can select that cell like this. Go to the table design, border again, and select no line or line the right leg border, all borders or outside borders, inside borders only. You can see the inside border has been gone and the outsider line is visible to us. Okay, so that is how we can remove the line from table in Google Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.